So this is the Abri AR507 mobile antenna. It's 150 watts for VHF and UHF. It's a dual band antenna. So let's have a look what was in the pack that I got. Got an empty box, probably just for keeping it all together. So I ordered this coax here, which will fit into this mount, which will house this antenna. So let's have a go and see how well this works. So you can buy these separately or all together as a pack, which is what I did. So here's the mount. It's got Allen screws on the bottom there. It's got some nice rubber here to protect your car. So it's like a boot mount or bonnet mount. So small Allen key holes here. Allen key to do up the sides here to get the angle, and you can swivel it here with an Allen key as well. So in the pack comes with the 2 different size Allen keys and a piece of metal, which is good because that you might want to put that across underneath where the Allen keys are. So effectively you could screw these Allen keys into this metal rather than into your car if you wanted to protect your car. So that's the mount there. There's a model and everything number there of what I've got, and that should go nicely with the other items that I purchased, which was the cable there. I'll put a link in the description as to where they are, and the antenna, which I'll put together now. The antenna here comes in 2 parts for packaging with an Allen key there as well to put it together. So the antenna comes with an Allen key and also a nut there, and this is how it comes out of the bag. You take that little grommet off there, and this screws into there, and you tighten it with the Allen key. That's how it goes together. So it looks like one big long antenna like this. The thing which I like about this antenna, and this is the reason why I looked at it, is that if you pull apart gently here, you can swivel it like that. So you can turn it to 90 degrees. So if you're going into a carport or garage, you can just gently just swivel it like that. Just pull it out a little bit and swivel it, so you don't have to take your antenna off if you're going to a carport or something like that. And you wouldn't know. So when putting it together, you've got to make sure that from the base here to the tip of the antenna is 74 centimeters or 29.13 inches, and then you'll know that you're tuned in. So for me, I put it together like that, and I push it down as far as it would go, and it's 74 and a whisker, so I couldn't quite get it to 74 centimeters perfectly. So we'll give that a go. If not, I might have to cut some of this wire here off, I think, and that way I can get it down a little bit closer to 74. So here's the antenna mount. So I'm just going to put it over the edge of the bonnet of my car. You can either put it on the bonnet or the boot, and then you just do up these screws here to keep it tight. And in the bag you've also got a metal plate, so you can put that metal plate under there to protect your car if you want to, between the screws in the car. As you can see, it's got nice rubber there, so it should protect the Duco of your car. So there's the mount. So now I can put the coax in. You just feed it through there, and it's got this little hole here that you can push that through like that. Or if you want to, you can put the coax the other side. It can go either way. There's a lug on each side. So now put the screw back on the top, tighten it up. There you go, now get it to the angle that you want. Now because the bonnet of this car is tilted this way, if if I was to put the antenna on, it would go on quite an angle like that. So I've got a side-on angle now, so if I was to do it up and put the antenna on, it would look funny, it would go forward like that. However, it's got a swivel base here like that, so I can actually swivel it a bit and get the angle pointing back a bit. I always think the antenna looks better if it's pointing backwards a bit rather than forwards on the car. Okay, so I've just done this finger tight, not very tight, because once I get the antenna in, then I'll do it the right angle. So then we just screw the antenna into the base. Like that. And now we can get the right angle. Now we can get the right angle like that. So I'll do that up now, nice and tight. And there we go, there's the antenna on the car. So I'll put the cable between the crack there in the car. In fact, you could probably put it through there, which would look really nice if it was nice and neat like that. I won't do that just now. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That will look nice when I put the cord through, and will tilt over just nicely like that when I'm parking if I need to. So let's just check how the SWR is on it, shall we? Okay, I'm on 2 meters here. It's a repeater that I can't access. So there we go, it's gone up just above 5 watts, and yeah, SWR is really good. About there, 1.2, something like that. All right, we'll try on 70 centimeters now. This is a repeater that I can't access. There we go, SWR is about 1.2. So that's pretty good, 1.2. Okay, so we've tested the SWR. Let's check how the signal strength works. So I'm just going to key up this repeater here, and we'll see how much strength we get along the top of the screen. There we go, it's nearly 100%. Probably about 80-90%. Let's see how much we get with the other antenna. Okay, I'm now plugged into the antenna on the car. Let's see how much strength we get on the same repeater. Well, there we go, it's quite a bit higher. Let's try one on 70 centimeters, shall we? Okay, here's one on 70 centimeters with the new antenna. There we go, just under 100%. Let's try with the rubber ducky antenna on the handheld. Okay, now I'm using a normal handheld antenna with just 5 watts, same repeater. Let's see, it's about half strength receive, about 50%. Whereas when I had in the other antenna, it was quite a bit stronger, as you'd expect. So that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Well, there we go, there's the antenna on my car, and I think it looks quite good. That'll be very good going forward. Don't forget to look at my other videos as well. Well, hopefully this has been of some help to you. If it has, please like and subscribe, but also don't forget to look at our blog as well. We do have a blog, and I'd encourage you to have a look at that. Lots of interesting things on there as well. Thanks for watching.